Sun shining, spring is in the air, Lakeland friends. Do you have your park model picked out? You see all these? There is 2 rows of park models waiting to be claimed. Well, we're out here. Should we go take a look at one? Let's do it, let's do it. Let's go look at this Kropf. So it is an island series. I'm loving the outside here. It's got a fun feature here on the corners. We got diamond coat siding. That vinyl though looks real sharp, huh? With that black window trim package. Let's go take a look. So it's a 4720. A very popular floor plan. Has some really great features in here. Right off the bat, right into the kitchen. Look at all those windows. All natural light coming in here. Nothing's plugged in, no lights are on, because we're out on the lot. And it's still beautifully lit up. Gorgeous entertainment center with the black shiplap, the etchwood mantle, the etchwood features. Lovely sitting area here. As well as you have all of that shelving there. You have the cabinets there, you have counters. Great crock pot station. Coffee bar. You put your ice machine here. So you can come from your patio straight to right here and have your weekend cocktails. Let's go down here. We have Slate GE appliances. Bathroom. Residential toilet per usual. Storage here again. Very large. Famous question, is it washer dryer prepped? Sure is. Or, like you can see here, you can just have the cabinets. Oh, the pillows flip down. Oh, I'll fix that in a minute. King size bed. That gorgeous black shiplap continues into here. Lots of storage. It's nice having these windows in here. Really, the light continues. People always ask, what are these two? Water heater down below, electrical breaker box up above. Etchwood stairs. That beautiful feature continues up here. Coming up here, we have some storage there on this side. And very good size loft here. She pretty. She pretty. Come check her out. Milton, Wisconsin. Lakeland RV Center. We're the Park Mile Pros. Come see us. See ya.